Alright, welcome. So this is how to use auto clicker. So this is the app here. This is the app here, auto clicker. Right, you click on it, then you choose. Okay, so for TapSwap, because it's a multiple clicker, right, you can use multi-target mode. And you click on settings, you click on enable, right, then you click on new configuration. Okay, now that we have it, let's leave it open like that and go to TapSwap. Okay, so you can see we have multiple, right? So we just click on plus. I'm going to arrange it in on this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm now going to specify the delay. Start from 50, number 2, 60. I'll just add 10 milliseconds to it. 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and 130. Okay, now that right, you can see I have 1000 taps, right? All I just need to do is click on this play button, this blue button. Wow, voila, you can see the speed at which it is typing. Instead of it to be typing with your hand, you can just set it. Of course, I've boosted mine to have 3000. Usually I think yours would be 300 if I just starting. So it's a good way. So when it's done, I stop it so it doesn't freeze my phone, right? I'll come back because at this rate I think my energy bar will be refilled in 16 minutes or so. So yeah, that's how you use auto clicker TapSwap.